This is the new double fuse igniter kit from InventionIncarnate.com. If you're just tuning in to this channel, this is a legal method for rearming inert military surplus fuses to use with smoke grenades. This is an improved method that uses threaded rivet nuts instead of pop rivets. This updated version cuts labor in half. I'm going to show you what's included and how to use it. I will be fully transparent, so if you choose to make the fuses and igniters on your own, you can. My marketing approach is based on the logic, savings, and convenience of bundling all components and chemicals together in one place, not to gatekeep secret formulas and information. Side note, formulas are in the free PDF section of my website. I machine the 2 fuses that come with it, so you don't need to acquire obscure tools. I will show you how to rearm the fuse first to give you an overview, then how to make the igniter, then quickly review the drilling pattern to modify an inert M228/M201A1 fuse. Then I will give a demonstration. The arming process is simple. First, cock the striker arm in place using a pin. Then place the rivet igniter into the fuse head. Holding soft tension on the cannon fuse, tighten the inset screw to gently clamp the fuse. Then place a pin through the safety hole. Hook the spoon on and hold firmly while pulling the striker arm pin, then replace the pin through the same holes, now retaining the spoon. Spread the cotter pin, remove the protective pin, and you are good to go. This is the threaded rivet igniter. This rivet size is 632. We cut a few inches of 3mm cannon fuse at a 45-degree angle. Common fireworks fuse will work just fine. Choose the delay time based on fuse speed. Screw the fuse into the threaded rivet until the fuse passes the end of the threads inside the rivet. Then, after crushing the clumps out of the oxidizer and mixing it with the ignition mix, we scoop some dry powder into the threaded rivet. Gently level with your finger, then add 2 drops of the included nitrocellulose lacquer. Let it absorb, and if the mix settles, add more of both. Take a small amount of striker composition, add 2 drops of the NC lacquer, and apply a thin layer of the slurry to the top of the ignition composition, no thicker than a credit card. I prefer to gently heat with a heat gun, then put them in front of a fan for a couple hours. That is all for the igniters. To review the Fuze modifications, there is a central hole drilled with a 3/32 inch bit all the way through. Then, from the strike plate down, 1/2 inch in depth, a 17/64 inch hole is drilled. On the side of the delay tube, I first drill a hole into the central chamber with a number 30 bit. Then I tap 4mm threads to accommodate a 4mm by 5mm inset screw. That is it for the fuse. Here's an example of how it works. The rivet can be cleaned and reused. If you bought this kit, then thank you for supporting my channel. If you haven't bought this kit, then you totally should. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and all that stuff. Okay, goodbye. I love you.